This event is a celebration of lifelong learners and an opportunity for the High Museum to share and showcase all of the work we've been doing to create programming dedicated to older adults in Atlanta. The event will be free for adults 50 and up, and there will be a variety of programming offered throughout the day. Think of it as an opportunity to try out and experiment a variety of the High's programming all at the same time. During the event, there will be drop-in tours and art making, as well as pop-up performances by Pearl Clegg, Distinguished Artist in Residence over at the Alliance Theater, and Franklin Pond Chamber Music, a partner of the Atlanta Symphony Youth Orchestra. There will also be a photo booth and entertainment by DJ The Late Night Affair out on the piazza. This will be a true High Museum takeover, and there will be something for everyone. The High is striving to become the hub of lifelong learning in Atlanta. We are seeking to create a space where curious adults can come together and exercise their creativity, foster social connection, and find joy and inspiration within the High Museum. We hope to see you at the Lifelong Learning Celebration happening Wednesday, June 1st from 10 to 5.